Good morning everybody. Today I have to teach you about sentence. Now you have to know about the definition of sentence. Sentence is a group of words which has a complete sense. There are two types of sentence according to meaning and according to structure. According to meaning, see here, according to meaning. There are five sentences according to meaning. Assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and last one exclamatory. See, a sentence which makes a statement is called assertive sentence. It may be classified into two categories, affirmative and negative. Now, we have to know about interrogative sentence, a sentence which asks a question. A sentence which asks a question is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence may be classified into two categories, S-no type and WH type. S-no type, this type of sentence begins with auxiliary verb, and WH type, this type of sentence is begun with keyword. So it is called WH type sentence. WH type interrogative sentence. Now imperative sentence. A sentence which asks or tells about order, advice, suggestion, prohibition, etc. is called imperative sentence. Now, optative sentence, a sentence which makes a wish is called optative sentence. It is begun with may. It contains in the end of the sentence exclamatory mark. Now, exclamatory sentence, a sentence which expresses strong feeling of heart is called exclamatory sentence. Now you have to know some example related of them. See, for the assertive sentence, I go to school daily. Now it contains two categories. I do not go to school daily. See, it is assertive sentence. Affirmative and negative. Now interrogative. Do you help me? It is S-no type. What do you do now? It is WH type. Interrogative sentence. For imperative sentence, open the door. Design order. See. Don't go there. Don't go there. It is prohibition. It is prohibition. Now you have to continue other sentences also, other examples.